Hey, hey, my awesome besties. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's game is a big one. All the Zombies movies are gathered for a trivia. You've got 30 questions and only 8 seconds each. Okay now, hold on to your seat and here we go! First things first, which species were the original people of Seabrook?
Where a mysterious galactic moonstone gave our world zombies.
Excellent start. The werewolves were there in the first place.
Settlers came to Seabrook, they found wild beasts with sharp claws lurking.
Rolls up next. How many keys are needed to open the blood fruit orchard? It only needs 3.
It looks like they need 3 keys. There's a...
All right, what's Zed's favorite ice cream?
Cauliflower brains mocha crunch, please.
You got it.
Seabrook?
He loves vanilla ice cream.
Seabrook has way more flavors than just vanilla now. I'll take a vanilla, coach.
Eyes test now. Can you find the odd Victor emoji from the rest? Amazing. You've crushed it. Can you remember the device's name on Addison's wrist?
Throw her in the dungeon!
Wait! Ah, fire gauntlet! Duck! No!
B for Bravo. It's definitely Luma Lens.
This puppy delivers a dose of soothing electromagnetic pulses.
Who are the werewolves referred to as the great alpha of them?
If there even is a great alpha.
Willa, we saw her in the forest. She had the white...
It's A. They thought Addison was the great alpha.
Maybe a grandparent. My hair means something. This could be my pack.
Spot the 3 differences between these 2 pictures. Oh my God, you have the eyes of an eagle. What keeps the zombies from eating brains?
I'm Zed, and yeah, I'm a zombie.
You're extraordinary. B is the correct answer.
I visualized. Coach, I promise I will only think about football this summer and nothing.
Time for some secrets. What's the real identity of Scout Commander 15-09?
Humanoid, Eli. He hid me and nursed me.
Oh yeah, it's A. She's Addison's grandma.
The alien scout was your grandma.
My grandma! Grandma!
Would you rather never watch any zombie movie again for the rest of your life, or like the video and subscribe to us? Don't forget to comment on what y'all choosing. Back to action. What are zombies afraid of? Vampires, guns, or fire? They're actually afraid of fire. The correct answer is C.
Lonzo, there's no fire.
There's no fire!
Do you remember the name of the camp where they stayed to find the keys?
What is this place? There's Daywalker symbols everywhere.
Yeah, it's A, Camp Rayburn. Where was the precious thing Scout Commander talked about?
People, I hid the coordinates in the most precious thing.
The correct one is A. This was the biggest twist in the movie. Caster Checker, who played Victor in Zombies 4? That's right, it's A, you're cracking it all. Who does Wyatt have a crush on? Is it Willa, Eliza, or Winter?
Enough with this mushy stuff. Find out.
Bingo! It's B, Eliza.
I like you.
Sorry, you cut out there. What?
I like you. I really like you.
Did Zed win the presidential debate against Bucky?
Zombie tongue and Seabrook's I think I make a fine.
Unfortunately, no. He lost control and lost. Pick your favorite season between these two. Is it Zombies 2 or do you love Zombies 3 more? Comment your thoughts below. Can you remember who is the leader of Z Patrol? It's Dale Wells, Addison's dad. Can you remember who saved Zed at the end of Zombies 4? Woo yeah! Nova and Victor saved him. This is a fun one. How many words for brain does Zombie's tongue have? The correct one is B, 23.
3 different words for brains.
Whoa. So.
Can you remember the college Zed wants to attend?
Zed Necrodopoulos is a star.
Well, maybe on the football field, but do we...
Yes, it's A, Mountain College.
Wait, don't go. You have to recruit me to Mountain College.
Rate the Zombie series.
Gonna miss you more than ever.
Gonna feel like it's forever.
How do you feel about the whole zombie series? Don't forget to answer in the comment section below. Trick question. Which song played at the end of Zombies 1?
Been waiting for this day to come and it was all so
Oh man, that's BAM!
so clear.
Since I was a little girl, I saw me standing.
Do you remember why Addison texted Bree, help?
Asked me for help, but she's not home. She's not answering her phone.
Because she needs help with her chemistry homework.
Homework. Didn't you see the beaker emoji?
Which place does Addison supposed to go for training?
Hi. Hi, Dad.
It's A, Camp Fly High. She wants to get better.
That's why this summer I'm going to a world-class cheer camp.
What thing created the blood fruit?
Another moonstone crashed on Mount Rayburn, creating 2 new monsters in 2 seconds.
Yeah, everything is caused by the Moonstone.
The Moonstone also created blood fruit, which both creatures need to survive.
Can you remember the score of the final football game in Season 1? It's B! Zed saved the whole game!
And Seabrook wins the game!
Which character is not on the road trip with Zed in Season 4? Obviously, it's A.
This heap of drunk too hard.
This people drunk and I got this.
Where did Victor and Nova first meet?
Nova? Hey, first Nova.
They realized each other at the Blood Fruit Orchard's gate.
It's you.
It's you.
What do you think about the new monsters in Zombies 5? I believe Mermaid is gonna be there. What do you think? Comment below so we can know. Great job, my friend. You nailed the Zombies quiz. Always love having you here. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Alrighty, until next time, Quiz Slice, drop the mic.